attendance. The teachers can mark the attendance with a biometric attendance or a QR code scanner generated by the admin. Then students' attendance can be reviewed by the admin. So after the teachers has marked the student attendance, the admin should be able to view the attendance from his own end here, so that you see the list of students. You see the list of students that their result has been entered. Then the next is the Islamia and Hifz attendance. So this is where you can view the attendance of the student also in Islamia or Hifz program. So I should be able to see the list of, okay, these students, the present, the absent, the late, and excuse day, the attendance percentage. Should be able to see this on the attendance part. Then on the next part, on the other part, is the inventory, where the admin manage all the inventory, the essentials sold by the school, and every other thing. Everything regarding inventory will be managed by the admin. The total item, the stock, low in stock, and order. Then the next part is where they manage salary. So if this the admin is the one managing salary, the admin should be able to add the staff details, create their voucher, and report to everything regarding salary will be added here. All the payments will be processed after the teacher's details has been entered. Then the next one is where to print the staff login. In case the teachers has lost their login, the admin will be able to access their list and tell them their login details, the password that they have forgotten. Then also for the student also, they can print the student list. So the admin will be able to print the student list, can select the class that I'm going to print their list. I'll select the program, then I'll select the class that I'm going to print their result out. Then the admin should be able to print out their result for any purpose. Then the other part is where the admin print the student login also. Maybe in case the student has forgotten their password and their any other their ID or password, the admin should be able to check it for them and give their password. That is on the other side. Then on the next part is where the admin manage all the fee management, the complete fee management. They assign fees to a particular student, particular class, record fee, generate report for the fee, assign fee for student, manage fee structures. Everything regarding fees will be done here. Manage fee, record payments, generate receipt, send receipt to parent. Everything regarding fees will be done under fee management. So then the next part is the payment voucher. After the admin has added the teachers the salary details, I should be able to see my voucher, the month generated, the status whether unpaid or paid. So you will be able to make payment. If it has been paid, it will change to paid. If it has not been paid, it will stay unpaid. So then the admin can send announcement to the school. This is briefly how Qdeen works for Islamic school that runs on conventional Islamia and Tahfiz school. That is brief on the admin work. So briefly on the teachers page. So this were basically what the teachers do. So I will find the teachers will get their ID that is generated by the admin, their password. So once the teachers log in, the teachers will be able to see the current academic period that has been activated by the admin rather. So they should be able to select class that they are to impute their scores for them, their section, then the subject that is assigned to them. So all teachers, not all teachers that will be able to have access to all the subjects. So the subject that the teachers will have access to is the one that they are and this is to impute current score. So maybe if I want to update a particular class score that maybe has issue for a particular with a particular student, so I should be able to come to update historical score for either last term, or the admin will activate the term that they are going to work on. That is on the imputing of score. Then Islamia and Hifz score is where the teachers of Islamia or Tafiz will be able to impute scores or compile Hifz scores for the student, or Islamia score. At the end of, once I select program, I should be able to select the class, get the subject assigned to me, then I should be able to update or impute the scores for the student in Tafiz or Islamia. Then the next part is where the admin, where the teacher mark the student attendance. So this is for conventional student. I'll select the class, select the section, load the student, list the students list, then I should be able to mark them present, absent for that day. Then the last is where the teachers mark the Islamia and Hifz attendance. Hifz attendance for the Islamia student or Hifz student that came to the Islamia that day, and they will be able to mark their attendance like the way they mark attendance for conventional students. So they will be able to select their the program of they are to mark their attendance, then select the class, then load this list of the student. So this is basically what the teachers do. They impute score, mark attendance, and do other things. Then the students will be able to check their results, take their CBT exams, and update their profile if they need arise.